Mukwena.
For young people.
Hi guys, my name is Bonisiwe Mukwena, and today we are at Media City Academy on open day. So basically what I came here hoping for is to know more about the skills that I'm going to acquire should I take the production course, and also just to know more about the accessibility. I want to know what's going to happen after the course. Do they give me access to the industry, or do I then go on and fend for myself? I'm hoping to get answers.
For young people means that we need to give you skills really quick in a short period of time and couple that with entrepreneurship so that even as an individual filmmaker you're able to become the generator of job opportunities. If we don't generate the job opportunities amongst young people, we won't have the workforce and we won't have the employment. And that was the vision behind Media City is, yes, there are film schools that give you a 3-year BA degree, but we're looking at high skills, short period. Yeah?
That person that paints the whole picture of what they are looking for, and they pretty much link all the departments that go into filming into the magic that you see as the end product. And so Thabang is a very, very celebrated film and television director, locally and internationally, and you will probably best recognize him as the key behind Gomorrah.
What's up, guys? I hope you're good. I'm a filmmaker, director, producer. I started in the industry very young. I went to art school, went to NSA for a couple of years, and then after art school I relocated to Cape Town and I studied film and TV at a college called University. There wasn't a University there was only one in Cape Town. So I did a course there and I fell in love with storytelling. I love storytelling. Storytelling is a way of healing, inspiring, teaching people. I think we can all say that we believe what we're doing is a calling. So yeah, I think it's actually about believing in that. It's really about believing that you have
survival.
Right, yes, sir.
I have two questions. What was the biggest mistake you made on your first project, and what did it teach you? The second question is, how do you balance artistic integrity with budget constraints?